Yun, ang ganda. Wait lang. Oh my God. So we are here sa Buya Bagels in Glorieta. So what it is, dapat pauwi na kami sakto, we're doing a food content. Naloko na ilang ako kasi may nag-Lady Gaga sa harapan namin. On the way kami dito, nagkaroon ng mga flash mob nagulat kami. So we are here sa Glorieta for the Buya Bagels. Maraming salamat kay Matthew. Kasama ko si Earl. Ayan. Katakot sa amin toy hunting ng dinosaur.
Tapos sa surprise kami bigla. May surprise pala dito sa Glorieta.
Oo, may nag-Lady Gaga. Anyway, that's another story. Check natin kung anong meron dito sa Buya Bagels. So, tama bagel. Okay to for coffee. At there's a build your own bagel. To Schmear 300. Yung butter nila is 140. May herb, strawberry sticker doodle. Actually, hindi ko alam to. Parang ito, parang siyang sandwich pala. Parang sandwich. Ito yung ating promoter, si Matt. Hey Matt, thank you for inviting us. So, what is Buya Bagel?
Well, Buya Bagels is actually it's a bagel shop. We have branches in Glorieta and Serendra, and this is the best bagel place you're gonna find in Metro Manila.
Is it imported ba to or local?
Everything is locally made.
Yeah, I mean the brand is local.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. This is a homegrown brand.
Homegrown.
And you know, this started because the owner's wife, she was pregnant and she was craving bagels, and they couldn't find any that was good enough for them, so they made their own.
Made their own, syempre. Ito na yan. Ito na siya.
And it became a thriving business about 5 years in. Yeah.
Parang pandemic baby ba to?
Yes, pandemic baby ito. And we have 2 branches. We have one in Glorieta, we have one in Serendra, and yeah, as you can see, we do have our fair share of loyal customers.
We have plans for the South?
For the South, we definitely keep an open mind as far as branches go. You know, never say never naman kami dyan. So, we'll see where it takes us. But, that's definitely in the cards. Or at least I'd like to think it is.
So, ano yung bestseller dito? Tour mo kami.
Okay, well, the bestseller would be the Buya Lox. That would be the house-cured lox. We make our own lox. Lox is basically cured salmon. So house-cured lox with urban garlic schmear, onion capers, and dill. Served on an everything bagel. Basically, it's the bagel with all the bells and whistles in it. Yes. My personal favorite will be the Buya Lox and the Chef's Lunch. Yeah. The Buya Lox and then the Chef's Lunch.
Chef's Lunch. Wow, grabe.
Yes. So it's
bacon salami, pepper. Oh my God,
yes,
solid.
Yes. And I'm telling you guys, you normally hear this in vlogs, like hindi tinipid and all that. We actually stay true to our word, and I'm staying true to what I'm saying right now. We are the definition of hindi tinipid.
Wow.
You get what you pay for. You definitely get what you pay for and then some.
Wow. So, dahil in-invite mo kami, titreat mo kami. So, saan kami pwede mag-start? So, parang build your own bagel ba to? Or...
Well, I already have one made for you guys.
Meron na.
The kitchen will be making it for you. There's a sweet bagel sandwich.
Sweet bagel sandwich.
So, there's gonna be peanut butter, Nutella, grape jelly, Oreo.
Wow.
In a cinnamon raisin bagel.
Oreo, wow.
Yeah. And the other one will have like ham and cheese with lettuce, avocado, mayo, tomatoes.
Very healthy.
On a jalapeno bagel.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Jalapeno bagel.
So, and then we cut our bagels into cross section. So, kasi it's hard to manage it if you eat it ng isa. Pagbuo. So, we cut it in slices. So, what we're gonna do is, both of you will have the best of both worlds. Wow. When we cut it cross section, maghati kayo.
Yeah.
So, both of you get sweet and savory. And of course, let us know what you think.
Yeah, sige, go.
Yeah.
So this is their bagel. Yeah. Oh my God, masarap ang bagel nyo, ha? Pwede naman bumili kahit plain lang eh, no? Pwede naman, di ba?
You can build your own also.
Build your own, no?
Yeah, here, there's the build your own bagel. So, say for example, you got like the jalapeno bagel. You can get the schmear. It says there 120 grams
yung palaman niya.
per tub yan. Pero if you order a bagel and you want it there, it's 100 lang.
100 lang yung bagel.
No.
I mean,
yung schmear.
Yung schmear.
Yan, kasi per tub yung pricing niya.
Tub kasi to, okay.
And then, so say for example, you got yourself a jalapeno bagel and you want urban garlic schmear to come with. Excuse me. Tapos there's the deli meat. There's bacon, salami, Canadian ham, pepperoni, house-cured lox. You can even pick the veggies that you would like.
Pwede.
There's even butter in there.
And there's also coffee.
There's also coffee. There's soft drinks.
Oh,
ayun.
Panalo.
Yeah.
Saktong-sakto.
Alright.
Sige.
Okay. When they're making the bagel, you can shoot it from here.
Oh, pwede. Ayan.
Pwede, gagawin nyo na? Hang on. Yeah, here every day from 4 to 8, I manage the store. I stand behind the patio.
Wow. Grabe yun, no? Chef Jess! Hello! So what are you making for today?
PB&J.
Ayun, ano daw yun?
PB&J, peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly. Alright.
Take it away, Jess.
Show. Bagel, oh. Pinainit pala muna. Pinainit. Ito na yung mga palaman.
Sukat mo na, measure.
Oh, grabe, oh. Oh my God, ganun kadami yun. Holy smoke. Walang biro. Napakasya. Grabe. Matamis nga yun. Grabe, wow.
Okay, pagkatapos mo mag-shoot na may kumalto sa ito.
Oh my God, lalagyan pa ng Nutella.
Hindi, buya rin to.
Oh my gulay. Shucks. Very handicrafted siya, no? Very artisan.
Yes.
Hindi siya basta salpak ng salpak eh. Parang ano.
You know, sa build your own bagel, I have a particular favorite, which is weird, pero masarap. Triple chocolate bagel with blueberry cream cheese.
Ito na yung blueberry, oh. Oh my gosh.
No, that's grape.
Grapes pala yun.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Favorite ko is triple chocolate bagel with blueberry cream cheese and bacon.
Oh.
Parang chocolate and bacon and blueberries in one sandwich.
Grabe, oh. Ano yung nilagay niya?
Oreos.
Oreo.
Crushed
Crush Oreos. Oh my God.
close attention to this.
Wala.
Tapos dito may harap Jess ha.
What the? Ayos ah. Wow! Beautiful! Oh, sige, pwede. Yun, grabe oh. Paano magkasya lahat yun? Paano magawa yun? Galing ha? Thank you, chef. Parang umalis siya last year, di ba? Parang last year siya, wala na eh.
Hindi, ito lang. Alex is also leaving. Alex is joining in Billionario. I hired her, yung assistant ni Brandon. I hired her as a segment producer. Ano na ito?
Hindi, lagyan mo ng music.
Yung ano, sa HDM.
Ano?
Huwag yung i-include sa video Video lang.
Okay. In-interview pa naman kita.
Kaya nga eh. I just realized na taka lang, wala akong permission ng may-ari.
Sige.
Avocado, yes.
Sige, BO ka na lang. Oh my God.
Arwin, mamaya.
What the hell? What the hell? Laki, grabe. There we go.
Sa taas dyan, sa taas.
Yun, ang ganda. Wait lang. Oh my God. Thank you, very good.
Alright.
So, tama nga yung sinabi, no? Hindi siya tinipid. Ang daming palaman. At meron pala sila dining area pala dito. Your dining area is merong logo na taong gano'n, naka-green. Yun, no? Thank you. Ang bango nitong ano, yung
Kayo pa ba?
bagong oven na bagel, tapos yung avocado. Sarap, grabe. Kaya, pangalan ito, Booyah Bagels.
Yes,
Booyah Bagels. Iyan ang the best. Ayan, huli ka Earl. Ayan, huli. Exempted yan, exempted kasi food review eh. And here's the bagel na mayroong peanut butter, grapes, at ano isa? Nutella. Ayan. Grabe. Kainin namin ito ni Earl. Ready ka na? Are you ready? Ate tayo. Tigisa tayo. Ano, kumusta? Sarap yung bagel, sarap yung ham. Ito eh, yung peanut butter. Para masarap may kape.
Hindi kape kami, sana pala kape in order kung hindi.
Okay lang. Kapaya ko na ito kung ititirahin. Sarap na peanut butter. Ano sa atin tinapay?
Good?
Oh my God.
Kung ano mo yung
Bagel and
kwento ko
skippy.
mamaya mo na
Bakit ganun masarap?
Kumakain kami ha. Knowing you.
Grabe. Solid.
Solid? I'm so glad.
Sobrang solid.
Ito naman. Okay, nandito kami nila Earl.
With avocado.
Kasi nag-create ng content for Booyah. Hang on. Si Earl Maghirang, Si Earl Linda. Okay, wait lang ha.
Solid.
Oo, basta balikan niyo ako dito. Balikan niyo ako dito.
Sarap, grabe.
Oh, make, on the go.